Motorola launched its new Edge series phone in the US market called Motorola Edge 2025, and it is the successor of the last year launched Motorola Edge 2024 smartphone. Now let's explore the specifications of the Motorola Edge 2025 smartphone. The Motorola Edge 2025 features a tall 6.7-inch Super HD curved OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Motorola Edge 2025 sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony LYT700C sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 122-degree field of view, along with the 10-megapixel telephoto lens, with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f1.9 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 68 watts wired turbo power charging support, plus 15 watts wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Hello UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. And it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.2 by 73.1 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 181 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 2025 has been priced in the US market at $550, and it is said to go on sale in the country starting from June 5th. So, what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 2025 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.